thought of this. I mean, this is a great idea. They had these when I was little. So that tells you how old they are. Oh, what do I do here? I've got an extra hole.
Go to the next.
We're really good at this, Al. We can do this in the nursing home. Noah, will you bring me lacing cards?
That's the piggy.
It's a bear.
That's not a bear. I don't think so. That's a piggy.
It's a piggy.
I don't think so.
Where did she learn that? I don't think so.
That's not a bear.
Is that something you guys say a lot, or is that a school thing?
Probably because she's always like, oh, that's this. And I'm like, oh, I don't think so.
That's a put on the next hole.
Well, I don't think you're supposed to do it this way.
What way is that? Because there's not enough.